Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. It's amazing to be in the kitchen one more time. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, guys. 2016, the best time of the year. We're gonna show you how to marinate your brown stew chicken for Christmas Day. If you're from Jamaica, you will love the recipe, because I'm Jamaican and we at Jamaican always have brown stew chicken, curry chicken, roast beef, all sorts of stuff on the table. We're gonna show you how to do your brown stew chicken, how to marinate it. And guys, there's a lot of recipe on the YouTube channel show you how to cook it. Remember, you can get my cooking book on Amazon. Don't forget, guys, the book is there. There's a 50% sale and Boxing Day. So guys, hopefully you will enjoy the recipe how to marinate your brown stew chicken for Christmas. Tips and ideas and ways, different style, different opinion. You're gonna love it. So enjoy the recipe. Thank you so much. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, have a lovely dinner and have a lovely time. This is from Chef Ricardo and the team. See you next time. Bye bye. Nice and lovely, the moment has come, guys, and we're gonna show you how to marinate your stew chicken ready for Christmas Day. This is the Jamaican way, Jamaican Christmas, Jamaican style, Jamaican. This is everything about Jamaican Christmas. All right, lovely and nice. Basically, I have some fresh thyme, fresh garlic, fresh spring onion. All right, this is my fresh garlic. I just chopped up a while ago, just on top of it like this. Lovely and nice. We need a lot of garlic on it, so roughly about 4 cloves of garlic I chopped up. This is some nice, lovely fresh thyme. Oh, that is just beautiful and nice. That's the fresh thyme right here. I love my fresh thyme and in my cooking. I don't know about anyone else, but when I'm cooking, I love to have my fresh thyme in my cooking, my fresh season. Everything must fresh and lovely. I love my fresh stuff, guys. And that's beautiful when you're cooking. I have some spring onion and white onion. I'm gonna pop it on top of it like this, make you guys see exactly where we stand with that. Beautiful, nice, lovely, nice one. Yes. Oh yeah. Here it is. I have the bad boy. This is the bad boy we normally use to marinate my meat. The browning, the quality and everything give you a nice, lovely flavor. Especially when you marinate the meat from the day before. The taste and everything is just perfect. So I'm gonna use this browning on my meat today. Brown stew chicken for Jamaican way, Jamaican style. Alright, so basically 2 tablespoons on it, just like this. This is 2 tablespoons of that lovely boy. This is the bad boy, that browning. I love to use it on my meat. Second thing, ketchup. We're gonna put 2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons of ketchup on it. Sweet chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce. Nice and lovely. Then next thing we're gonna simply show you what you need to do, guys. We got some paprika. It's a must. Gonna put on some paprika on it. This is 1 large spoon of paprika. Roughly 1.5 spoon of paprika. What I should lose some paprika on in food like that. Christmas, let's marinate my meat and marinate it the right and proper way. I got some chicken season. 1 spoon of chicken season. Christmas, I don't know, some people are, oh, you don't want to use those kind of season on my thing. Alright? Now use it and so your meat come out. Different. Alright? Pimento. Just a little pinch of grounded pimento on it. And I got some all-purpose season. 1 spoon of all-purpose season. Lovely and nice. So if you don't want to use that kind of season on it, you don't know how your food will taste. You understand? Then simple, guys. Put on the gloves. Marinate. Hold on first. Hold on. There's 1 thing left, guys. We're gonna put 2 tablespoons of olive oil on it like this. This is some lovely olive oil I'm putting on it. So the olive oil kind of give it a nice lovely flavor. Awesome. Rub him up like this, guys. Rub it up. Oh my God. Look at this, guys. Just look at this. Can you imagine how this is gonna be tasting tomorrow? when you start to cook this lovely stew chicken, keep saying brown stew chicken. Brown stew chicken cook different. This is stew chicken. Alright? Looking lovely and nice. Oh man, look at that beautiful color, guys. Oh, this is a proper color. This looking lovely. Oh man, tell us, Jamaican Christmas is the best. If you never eat Jamaican Christmas food, try it this Christmas, guys. Give it a try. Give it a go. Alright. So basically, that's it right there. Next thing what you need to do, put this at the side and simple get your bag and simple pop your meat inside of a bag like this. This is some frozen bag, and now I'm gonna put my meat into the frozen bag and seal it, and then I put it into my fridge. And the beauty, if you don't even use this tomorrow, you can put it in your freezer and freeze it and use it next month, which is 2016. So if you don't have a problem, that's the beauty with the frozen bag. You know what I mean? So as I always say, frozen bag is really good to have inside of your house to do a lot of stuff, guys. It's amazing to know so many things what the frozen bag can do. So as you can see, that's the brown stew chicken. That's the stew chicken I'm talking about right here. Some people cook brown stew chicken, some people cook the stew chicken, but brown stew chicken cook different. Seriously. So I don't know the reason why I keep saying brown stew chicken. That's it right there. Simple. And just seal it like this and put it in your fridge for the next day for using. Alright? So thank you so much. See you next time. Enjoy the recipe, tips and idea ready for Christmas from Chef Ricardo. Bye bye.